nice vibes, the nice energy into Croydon, you understand? Yeah, man, a good vibe. How you doing with that, yeah? Hopefully the soup can replace that milkshake now. Oi!
Yeah, the gladiators!
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the malish water, eh?
Yo, Ringo. Are good vibes. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless.
So what we're doing right now, you're just travelling the high street from West Croydon down. Right now we're on the high street in front of Martin's Country. How you doing? I'll be right, yeah? Huh?
You know Tracy?
Yeah, yeah. Where's She's gonna walk about.
Yeah, she's going to Sainsbury's, I think.
Should I leave an extra one? Two?
Yeah.
Two, yeah?
Thank you.
One for you and one for her, yeah?
Thank you.
Alright. What's trying to do now? Well, go on. You're right.
Wow.
Well, you got Greg there. Let me see if I can replace that Greg boy.
Yeah.
Have you got appetite?
Nasty.
That's that sausage bean thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's stone cold. It's horrible.
Mate, who gave you that to eat?
I don't know. I found it. No, it was on my bed when I came back.
Someone left it for you, innit?
Yeah.
It's good of them, but at the same time, you're coming back and it's freezing cold.
Yeah.
So I turn up some hot soup for you, boy.
Thank you, Brenda.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision.
No, pot food, we're on cheap food.
Yeah? Alright, that's
You got that?
No. He doesn't want no pot food, he wants some tree food. Alright. Alright, a good vibe, sorry. Alright, let's wait for the traffic.
Yeah.
Go on. Yes, everybody, big up yourself. We're here on the strip. You understand? They call Frontline, West Croydon. You understand? A good vibe. Dave, what go on? Come out and greet
Yes.
me, please.
Okay.
Hey, Dave, I'd like to see you, please.
Yeah,
Yeah.
come in. Come in.
Cheers.
I think you got to give a knock on the door.
Come in.
Huh?
Come in.
No, we are in the kitchen.
Wait, I've got something for you. I do something that you might want.
Well, I can't say I can.
Dave, come get a cup of soup, please.
Wait. This morning, the council came to my well this morning
And I pretended I was asleep like a normal now. So I took my hat off. I went to there to pretend I was asleep like a no. It's only because of my leg. Don't forget, I've had a hip replacement.
Yeah.
And
So what happened with the council?
I'm back up.
yeah. So I've got something. Have you got any? Do you want to buy something off me? And it's free.
buy something off you.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
It's free, yeah.
Electric guitar.
Yeah, you got an electric guitar? Shut up. So I've just come out now with a pot of soup. Yeah. This is my third day after they put that. Yeah.
What's it? Is it like soup? Like
Yeah, vegetable soup. Yeah. You like to try it? Okay. So I'm just thank you, yeah? Thank you. Yes, everybody, big up yourself. So we're live here in West Croydon, people, yeah? I'm just gonna give Dave his cup of soup. You understand?
Don't take it off, people to see it.
Dave.
See the top of the neck. I want to get rid of this, I can't play it.
Hey Dave, here you go.
It's a strike pocket, it's very good. Let me feel the weight.
Yeah, feel the weight.
Don't know what's going on there, but yeah man, big up yourself everybody. We're live, we're outside there, the kitchen, you understand? Day 3, it's a good vibe, we're back in the community, we're here. This is like the front line of Croydon people here, London Road. So we're just tackling here, and Dave's normally the last person that we're giving food to, but today's gonna be he's gonna be the first person that we're giving food to, you understand? So good vibes, big up yourself, we're done now. That was it. Yes, everyone. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna travel through the high street right now. Today's a busy Friday. Spin the camera around. I don't want to show everyone where I'm going. Quite busy out there. I've got a few ingredients from this store here today for the pot. Yeah, man, that's good vibe. So remember, nutrition. All right. Nutrition is a vital thing out there, so it's going to be providing some good minerals, you understand, and great substance back into their bodies, people, yeah? So yeah man, one love. If you like the journey that we're on right now, and you appreciate the journey of the movement, could you please leave a comment in the comment section, and please hit that notification. Make sure that you get the next video that comes up. You understand? Bless up, brother, yeah? Respect. Make sure that you get the next video that comes up. And just make sure that you subscribe to the journey, people, yeah? One love, okay, bye. Bless. Bless up, man. It's a nice bright day today as well, people, as you can tell, yeah. Kind of like warming up over here in the UK as well. Hopefully the soup will be a nice vibe, a nice energy into Croydon, you understand? Yeah, man, a good vibe. How you doing, right, yeah? Hopefully the soup can replace that milkshake now. Oi!
You're the gladiators.
Yes.
You're the malish water,
I ain't trying to
touch
think.
for the daughters.
Yeah, that's good. I'm good about it, man. Well, go on, yeah.
I like that.
Sim, eu já me sei, quita bem de cair mesmo, que vai para para ali para mais seguir bem cedo. Depende do papo. Eu vou ter simples que para não seguir cedo. Pode tapar não. Minuto tá ali, não vai ser acabado. Bisa carência para organizar, essa é a uma.
So what we're doing right now is just travelling the high street from West Croydon down. Right now we're on the high street in front of Martin's Square. How you doing? I'll be right, yeah?
Tracy?
Yeah, yeah. There's. She's gone walkabouts.
Yeah, she's going to Queensbridge, I think.
Should I leave an extra one? Two?
Yeah.
Two, yeah?
Thank you.
One for you and one for her, yeah?
Thank you.
Vegetable soup with like root vegetables like yam, potatoes, carrots, all that kind of good stuff, garlic, onions. You're welcome, yeah? Alright, enjoy the rest of the evening,
Yeah,
yeah?
you too.
Alright.
Have a nice one.
Tell her I said hello, yeah?
Yeah, I will, darling. Be safe.
Yeah, man, a good vibe. Just gonna travel the high street and just hang out with you. Yeah. Back out now, yeah? Thank you very much. Thank you. Imagine that. I could be signing a petition. There's a good vibe. People actually want to see the kitchen out people here, so you know what I mean? The module what we're trying to do now. Well gone. You're right. Wow. You got Greg's there. Let me see if I can replace that Greg's boy.
Yeah.
Have you got appetite?
That's that sausage bean thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's stone cold, it's horrible.
Mate, who gave you that to eat?
Well, I know, I found it was on my bed when I came back.
Someone left it for you, innit?
Yeah.
It's good of them, but at the same time, you're coming back and it's freezing cold.
Yeah.
So I turn up some hot soup for you, bro.
Thank you, Brenda. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Have a good day, yeah? Alright, yeah? Take care. What one?
It's,
Is that, yeah? Where's everyone else? Thank you, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. Alright, sometimes we're out as well.
Can I have one soup, please?
You want one soup?
Yes, please. Bless you.
running.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Travel down the rest of the high street. There's an ambulance in front of us. Hopefully no one ain't been hurt. But yeah, man, we're out on a mission. Look, 4 wheels and we're rolling. Hey, Adam.
Yeah.
The soup is getting drunk, you know. Like, GTA Friday as well, yeah.
Yeah.
The soup, I think the soup is proper needed today as well.
Nice and healthy.
Yeah, like, and what it is, you can tell, yeah, like, when the sun's out, yeah, people are not in one spot where you think they may be. You have to literally go, look, my man that's normally at the station, he was just sitting down on the bench. He's
Yeah.
at the station, isn't it, Adam?
That's it. All of them normally at the station waiting there.
Yeah, so everybody, like, the sun's out, everyone's floating around, and the sun, so you have to go to, there's little spots where people are, innit?
Yeah, everyone's out, so they've all got their individual
Yeah, man.
little place to be.
So the next place where we're going here is where Lucky is. Lucky's nearly what's that girl's name again?
Primark.
Yeah. Go and check them out.
Yeah, man.
Yes, everybody, so it's good to be back. Hope you guys are enjoying. Yes, everybody, so we're outside right now. Just come to check out one of course we've been alright. We're good now that we see you.
Oh, I love this. Thank you.
Where's your mister? Where's your mister? Where's Lucky? Huh? What's going on?
I don't know where the fuck he is. He's a wanker.
You're gonna look like. Chill out. Enjoy that soup.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Johnny. Goodbye.
Love you, darling.
Yeah, big up.
Thank you so much.
Yes, this is Jordan from the street. We're going to travel away from the high street and we're going to do some more food. Understand? Everyone, so traveling through some different parts of Croydon. Through with the we're bad with it. Sorry, love. Come on, come on. Bus driver moving like a down, but let him behind. First one behind. So this is the part of Croydon that's just a little bit kind of deserted. But at the same time, you've got the council up here. You've got the
museum,
you've got
the library,
clock tower. Queen's Park up here at the same time, you understand? But up here, there's a lot of construction. That's quite cool. Yes, everyone, so we're just passing through the town. You understand? To see where everyone just scattered around today. And that's what it is still. Sometimes you have to move around to get to the individuals because they're not in one place. You understand, people? So, yeah, man, our good vibes. Big up yourself. We're outside with the kitchen. We're just gonna touch Queen's Park quickly to see if there's anybody up here. Our good vibes. Yes, people. So we're back out with the kitchen. So we got people all over the marketplace. You understand?
Oh no. No.
Not right now, brother. No, not right now. No, either way. It's got great spot. Same.
I don't know.
Yeah, love
Good
man.
vibes.
See you West Friday somewhere, yeah?
It's a bag.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see it on YouTube and I said, look at that.
I'm back out, man.
Respect.
Back
You
out.
see how the wicked police are?
It weren't even them, you know, it was the man down there at the market.
Oh yeah, you had a little squabble or something. Because I just see one of your videos, yeah.
Yeah, he cheers. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, but I've been meeting today with the police and the police and that. They're good.
Lovely.
Yeah, they're good. So,
Can I get one?
yeah, of course you can. So I'm back out with
Wow. And it all got cleared up today.
Yeah, so they're gonna wait for some response, but we're back out.
Well done, man.
How you doing? Get in there.
What's your name?
Ringo.
Ringo Steve.
Nice to meet you, Steve, yeah? One love, yeah?
Alright, man.
From your Ringo, you must bingo.
Eh?
From your Ringo, you must bingo.
Yeah, looking tonight.
Yeah, I'm a poet.
Yeah.
I'm a poet,
Oh,
man.
So give it to I don't pour it them from like how we do it right now. No? Can I tell you something? Catch this.
I don't know, right, yeah.
When they come on to Ringo, them youth are well bingo. Now they must try instigate, but them late. Because the man they put food in a people's plate. Make sure them get some soup and move like a dope. Them have some ital, so they're more vital. So you don't have to eat food or make a bend up. This is soup. Not the soup is a sip, because it's hot on your lip. You need to eat things with vitality. You eat not just a pasta, that not gonna make you go faster. This will help you to feel much better. You need to eat things with nutrients to give you new strength. And yeah, is Ringo kind done bingo.
Alright, you said new strength, innit? Yeah?
New strength.
Yeah.
Full of nutrients.
Yeah, good vibes. So we're back outside with the kitchen people, yeah? That is it. It's good food?
Yeah, enough.
You can't build food like this, man. Food like this. Good evening.
I'm back. Yeah. Good vibes, yeah. Bless up here. Good vibes.
Alright, give me the guy done.
Yeah. Alright, everyone, so the mall is complete.
No, what was this? Like fully, potato.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. What?
Thank you, God bless you, God.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bless.
I'm very.
Yes, everybody, so it's been a good day today. So we've got completed pot again, you understand? Handing out some food to the homeless. Day 3, back in the local community. It's good. It's a good vibe. We had a meeting with the local police and the council as well. So yeah, man, just check that out as well, people. Yeah. So we're back out again, and that is it. Let's go.